Hey yo, it's Steve with a RideTheTeacups.com update, and I am super excited about what we are going to look at today, so buckle up. Here we go. We are jumping into a video. Now, I do want to warn you, my page loads are going to be a little slow because my computer does not like streaming or recording a video with a local server running. It just doesn't like it, so bear with me. We will get things going, but check this out. This is our video viewing page. Super awesome. It will actually play the video. Let me pause it so I don't have that. So I can play the video. I can see all of the different YouTube things, including, by the way, the ending screens. All of that stuff actually lights up the way that it's supposed to. There we go. So all of your end cards and everything will work. All of your individual cards will all work exactly as scheduled. Super, super cool. I am not actually live, but that will work. I'm just testing out how it looks. Shows how long ago it was. I can actually like and dislike things. Really cool. I won't be able to link these up until I get our login system working, but they're there and they will work. You can show and hide the description. Links actually show up in their own tab, which is kind of nice. It, again, does that all automatically, so nothing extra needed with that. You can show and hide all that stuff. Here on Ride the Teacups, I can rate my channel, whatever it is that I want, along with all of the average ratings. I can save it so that RideTheTeacups.com knows that I love this channel, and it will show me more. I can see all of the socials for Instagram, for Twitter, for all of the different socials that each different channel that are here may end up having. So whatever you've got, it'll show it, including like your merch links, your Patreon links, your PayPal links, all of that good stuff, all in here. The goal of this project is to enhance channels, not to cap them off at the knees. So we want to make sure that as a creator, you get credit for absolutely everything you possibly can. All of your watch time will count. All of your number of views will count from the site. So you're not losing anything from that. These are actual YouTube API likes and dislikes. So you're getting all of your likes. You're getting your YouTube subscriptions. You are getting the credit for all of that. And of course, like I said, we'll put even like your merch links and things like that right here front and center for you. So pretty cool. I am borrowing an avatar because, again, my login system doesn't work. This was just at the top of the list, so I can comment on this video and add my comment, and it loads it up, and it worked. I have a toast over here, which I'm really excited about, and it's added my comment here. Again, I'm not logged in, so the avatars are kind of made up, but I can do that. I can also reply to anyone here, so Monarch Miracles, I can reply back to him, and it shows up right under his comment. I can reply to my reply, and that will show up in the correct place. And it is actually, again, using the YouTube API, so these will show up on the actual YouTube videos themselves, along with everything else. So really neat to have that level of interactivity that's here. Just a couple of neat things. I like that the cancel and add reply button show up here when you're adding a reply. If you click away, it knows that you haven't added anything. If you add something and you click away, it knows that you've added it and it doesn't do anything. If you hit cancel, the whole box goes away. Same thing up here. If I just put in like a bunch of spaces, it knows I don't have anything, so it kills it off. If I have things and click away, then the add comment button and the cancel button stay here. If I don't have anything, those buttons go away, so it doesn't clutter up anything that I don't have the ability to use anyway. And then, of course, I can't add a comment unless I actually put something in. So just a couple things, trying to keep it neat and tidy because there's a lot of stuff on this page. I also have a few things. These are more from Ride the Teacups, so since this is my video, I'm going to show more videos from me. Whoever's channel I'm looking at, it will show up there. So like if I'm looking at an Everything Disney Family video, it will show me more from Everything Disney Family, and it will actually show me their YouTube videos and any recent tweets and any Instagram posts. That's subject to change, as both Instagram and Twitter are having some API updates. At the moment, I don't know what I'll have access to, but that's the plan, is to have just your content done there. Related content, I have a set of keywords that I have that are kind of really specific to what I want to do with the site. And then, of course, every video has tags also. So what this is doing, it sees that this is Lamplight Lounge. So what it's doing, it's searching in all of the videos that I have for anything related to Lamplight Lounge, anything related to food, anything related to California adventure, and those type of things. Anything that it sees, it is going to grab. So let's see, every single ride in Disney's Animal Kingdom. Not sure what it actually grabbed from that, but this is the Disney food blog, so it probably grabbed food as a title. Mulan's Lunar New Year Processional is California Adventure. I have a Disneyland tag on this also. So yeah, really cool. Really excited to see those related videos that are there. A couple of other things that we added in the description. I have a couple of ways to inject some tags. So let's see what this looks like. So first off, something that YouTube allows you to do that you really should be doing is adding some chapters. If you just put in like a timestamp starting with 000 and then moving all the way down, it'll actually create these chapters for you. And on YouTube, you can actually skip to these different chapters. You can see them. You can see them kind of light up here. That's something that YouTube lets you do, and you really should be taking advantage of because it's awesome. Well, I can also do that up here. My website has just grabbed the chapters. It knows what they are, and it has thrown them up there. So if I want to see, let's see, I want to ride Merlin's Apprentice. I know it's at 6:35. I just click the button over here, and the video goes to 6:35. Will you take a look at that? Amazing. There it is. If I go to the VR and 4D movies, look at that. There's VR. There's 4D movies. There's my loading spinner because, again, my computer doesn't like doing this. So that is so stinking cool. I'm really excited about that. A couple of other things I want to show you. Let's get to the resort tour. I have the ability to inject some variables into my site from my description, which I am also really excited about. I've actually been doing this since the very beginning. I've just never used it before, so I'm finally using it. So I can see on this additional details that this resort tour for Pop Century Resort, it has bus access, which is cool. It has Skyliner access, and I know that the room that I'm going to be looking at has 10 USB outlets and 16 regular power outlets. There are a whole bunch of additional details that you can get into and actually look to find all kinds of cool stuff inside of here. I'm going to add a list and obviously make that available for anybody that happens to want to. But for example, if you're making a cooking video, you can put a list of ingredients right here so that everybody has very easy access to it. If you're reviewing something on Disney Plus, I will actually pull for you. They use an API to grab like the movie title, its rating, runtime, directors, actors, cast, the poster, like the movie poster, a TV poster that's there for it, and display it all right up here. I'm pointing at my screen like you can see me. You can't, but I'm pointing at the screen. It'll all show up right in here along with your rating. If you're rating it on like a scale of 1 to 5, it'll show you the star rating that you've given to it. So really cool things that as a creator you have the ability to add up here on the sidebar. And again, we'll make all of that publicly available so that you can see exactly how it's done. So yeah, guys, so excited. Really, really cool. Really digging this page. I think it's just about done. I haven't put ads on it or anything yet. And of course, haven't linked up the things that require you to be logged in. But oh my gosh, so stinking excited. Oh, let me show you the mobile version, by the way. And you can see it's kind of lined up really nicely here. So, you know, again, I have all of this data here. It's kind of stacked it a little bit for me really nicely. Still table of contents. The card for the channel has stacked really nicely also. All of the comments and things all still stacked nicely. I think I just found a bug by accident, but that's fine. We'll get to it. All the related content is right in here. It has access to the chapters, again, which completely work. Let's see. Where are the 50s? At 402, it's taken me right to 402 and loaded everything up here, which is really cool. And then additional details, I still have all that here. And then more from Ride the Teacups. I have just my content right in here also. So, yeah, all works in small, medium, large devices. If you're on a phone view like we are here, an extreme vertical, small view, the video is always going to be visible, just like it is in your YouTube app on your phone. Everything else just slides underneath it, so you don't ever have to stop watching the video while you're scrolling or doing this stuff. So, my goodness, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Woohoo! I love it. So, awesome. Really excited. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was fun for you. This is coming soon. I cannot wait to share it with you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. We ride the teacups. Later, y'all.